Hey, congratulations on your new home. We are here today to show you the benefits between a Lutron panelized lighting system and a standard lighting system. We know that you have a lot of decisions to make with your new home, and we want to make this one as easy as possible. Traditional lighting involves the installation of basic on and off switches like these. For instance, you have a switch that controls these can lights. You have a switch that can control the lamp over there. You have a switch that control, the fan light or the fan on and off. You have another switch if you want to run over to the hallway, turn on the hallway light or this hallway light. You just have a lot of basic switches throughout the entire home. Lutron panelized lighting eliminates the need for all of that, and it's better in every way to keep things simple. First of all, it cleans up all of the wall clutter, so it will eliminate the banks of multiple switches and replace it with one elegant keypad. Next, it replaces the need to manually turn single light switches on or off. No more running around the house, turning off all the lights at bedtime or turning them all on for a dinner party. Instead, your lighting becomes a beautiful design feature of your new home. With the press of one button, your whole home is lit up perfectly based on programmable scenes. Do you love to cook? Press one button and your kitchen will light up perfectly to prepare an amazing meal. How about a spa day at home? Another scene can light your bathroom perfectly to relax and elegant. Time for bed? Just hit the goodnight scene and it will turn off all of the lights in your home, even close your shades so you're just ready to get a good night's sleep. We can even expand on the capabilities of the system by adding your automated shades or perhaps your music. So that way, when you have a scene for cooking, you can turn on your favorite playlist. Or you have that bedtime scene, we can lower the shades to be ready to go to bed. The possibilities are endless, and you're only limited to your imagination.